Hello everyone and welcome to our 13th DePIN workshop for Moonchain with MajorDom. I hope you enjoyed joining and are excited to what I'd like to show you today. For the few people who already read the description and went into the live stream by this, I think they will already know what they can expect for today. In preparation for an NFT contest, which we will host on Moonchain, we would like to show everybody how they can create an NFT with MetaMask as well as with the AXS wallet. For this, we will use Geneva today, and I like to start with the introduction how you can set up the Geneva Testnet in the Moonchain wallet, in the MetaMask wallet. For this, you can find the RPC configuration here on doc.moonchain.com/docs/resources/RPC configuration. Here you can find not only the mainnet RPC config as well as our Geneva Testnet configuration. I already have added it into my network. In my MetaMask, you can see it here, Moonchain Geneva Testnet. But we can delete it just for, I think we can delete it just for showing purpose. I just tried to change the network. Yes, I changed the network, so I can delete the already entered in Geneva configuration I have. So Moonchain Geneva. Then we get our chain ID, the RPC URL, we take the standard ticker MXC, and we also set a block explorer. So with this done, we once more set up the Moonchain Geneva testnet, and like I said, with this done, we are now able to use this wallet on Moonchain NFT. I would like to show it to you once more. Oh, okay, no, this is not what I. Why is it showing ETH currently and not MXC? This doesn't make sense for me. Maybe because, yeah, okay, I deleted the network, so I have to re-sign this, I can expect. But why is it still showing me then? Yeah, switch network. Okay, it has seen the Bartio Beranet token as MX ETH token, and because of this it showed 1.7 ETH. So with this done, we are now able to create an NFC collection with MetaMask. But before I will do this, I would like to show you in the AXS wallet as well how we can switch to the Geneva testnet. So currently this configuration, I just opened the wallet and entered a pre-hosted wallet. This is super easy. You just have to open MXC, the Moonchain wallet, sorry. I'm not sure. why it's not shown on the home screen now, but anyways, so when you open the Moonbeam wallet or AXS wallet, you would be presented this home screen, which is the home screen for our mainnet configuration. And when you go this way, which I did just now, you click onto the gear wheel, and then you choose chain configuration, and by this you click on Moonchain Geneva Testnet. You can set this as a default network, and by this you get presented a little bit different interface, which is created for our Moonchain testnet. So, but before I will open the NFT application, I would like to show you how you can get Geneva token in the AXS or in the Moonbeam wallet. So you would have to enter your address here. Sadly, I didn't copy it further, but I can do it fastly. Sadly, I switched the emulator, so I'm not sure if this copied it like it should be. It did, okay. So now we choose that we are not a robot. Do the capture, and when we've done the capture correctly, and it accepts the capture, and we get the token. Of course, it doesn't accept it on the first run. Please take it. Okay. Anyways, I have enough MXC, I hope. I'm not sure if I have enough MXC on this wallet. I expect that it won't be enough, sadly. So we have to do the capture. There is no way around it currently. Oh, really? I think it would let me do this the whole day. It's crazy. It's really crazy. Sadly, just for the deployment of the contract, it will take around 1000 MXC. And because I'm not sure how I get the contract address out of this phone without, or this emulated phone without, this can't be real. I'm not sure if it's because I use this emulator, because on the different emulators I don't have these issues. I had to do it like twice or 3 times. This can't be real. Finally. So okay, we now have 500 MXC. I will try to do another transaction. I think it won't work until I don't do another capture. But at least I'm able now to deploy the contract. Yeah, I think I would have to redo the capture, and for this I don't have the time, sadly. Okay, so here we have, well, this is definitely enough MXC. I think it wouldn't even be necessary to do the take token from the faucet. MajorDom 13. That's our collection name. Should be. Sadly, I didn't took it. So I just call it MajorDom 13. Because I'm doing it from this emulated phone, I just have to take like a dummy picture for our cover image as well as the profile image of the collection. These two pictures, the name and the description, are necessary entries when you want to deploy a collection. It's working pretty fine. Okay, so description, test. Okay. So we would also be able to set our MNS name and connect us with our NFT collection. Sadly, here I don't have an URL prepared. You have to know that it's only possible to create one URL or to match one URL with one collection, so you won't be able to create match two different collections with one single MNS name. Here you would be able to set an order, set a creator earnings percentage, which would mean in case your NFT would be sold, you would get this percentage as revenue or as earnings. Here you would be able to provide your website or your social handles and write them into the collection. So for people which are artists or something like this, this can be pretty interesting for getting it into your NFT. The category I don't choose now because it's more when it comes to real world assets, and currently here we are just using it to deploy an art NFT collection, I would say. I'm not sure why I don't get the right response. Okay. The collection should be created now. Okay, well, currently we don't have any items here. So, okay, now when I reload it, I think we would see the creation, the collection I did. Maybe only when I create the item. For this, we have to choose a collection. And do I see the one which I just created? I hope so. MajorDom's 13. Yeah, perfect. So we choose the collection in which we want to deploy our NFT. For this, once more, I use this dummy picture. We once more have the opportunity to provide a description, which is in this case not necessary, but we will do it anyways. We leave it with test. I think this will be enough. Here we are able to provide a key value, key value traits. So here we could write creator. I'm not sure why it won't use it there. Creator. Maybe it would have been better. Yeah, I just do the R here. I will write me for making it as short as possible. And I show you more on this when I do the creation with MetaMask. So here we once more would be able to choose if it would be a real world collectible for which we want to mint our NFT, as well as we would have the opportunity to lock XSD in our NFT, but these two features are currently only working on mainnet, and on testnet they are still in development. The XSD locking would mean that you would be able to lock some stablecoin inside of your what does it mean? Please type your collection name. Choose the collection name. So what's the issue? Doesn't make sense in my opinion. you would be able to lock the XSD inside of your NFT, which will bring a certain value with your NFT, but you only would be able to use these value if you would decide to burn the NFT. So you could choose to have the value as an NFT when it comes to collectibles or something like this, or you could burn your collectible if you prefer to would have the XSD which are locked into it. So this is a possibility to provide some value when it comes to creating. Fail to load NFT metadata 0, not for sale. I don't know what happened here. So I would like to just create another. I think I skipped the item name. And not the collection name. We skip the description, we take our collection. We skip everything else and create our item. And now we don't get this mistake or this failure. And because of this, I really thinking that I missed to write the item name. And because of this, on the next screen, when it showed the item of the collection, or the items of the collection, our item wasn't shown properly. With this, I don't know, I will finalize this before. Okay, now we have 2 items, right? Okay, and here we have the right name now. So this is something I also write me down for talking about it into the in the team, because it shouldn't be possible to deploy an NFT without a name. And I expect that this won't work on the mainnet, but just foreseeing that it works on the testnet is also an issue I don't like to happen, and I think I'm not the only one on the team which thinks so. And with this done, I would like to go over to creating a collection with MetaMask now. Welcome everybody. Please don't wonder why MajorDom certainly wears different clothes than in the beginning from the video. This just has the reason that I had to re-upload the second part of the video because of some technical issues. And the second part, like you're expected, will be how we can deploy an NFT collection while using Moonchain. Sorry, not Moonchain, MetaMask for sure. And yeah, let's start with doing this. Like I already said, the steps actually are the same, like we already done with the AXS wallet. But for the users with MetaMasks, I want to show it anyways. So we begin with a click onto these wallet sign here in the upper right part of the screen. And with this done, we then click on to create a collection. There we are able to set a collection name. I will name it MajorDom NFT MetaMask Then we are able to provide two different images. One would be a cover image, and the second would be a profile image. For the cover image, yeah, like you've seen, I already downloaded the picture, but I've been stupid when it comes to setting the file name. Here we want to use this kind of picture, and here we are prompted to provide a description. This is the necessary information which you can see here on this asterisk. Um, this is one of the best NFT collections ever made. Here we would be able to provide an URL, which means an MNS name. So on MetaMask, you are able to bind a name to your MetaMask wallet or to your wallet address. It's kind of the same. Maybe you know ENS system, the Ethereum name system. It's actually the same. You are able to bind human readable addresses like NFT Collection Workshop.mxc, MajorDom DeFi.mxc, MajorDom DePIN.mxc, and go on and go on. Onto your complex wallet address. It's similar like when you think about the domain name and the IP address in Web 2. So sadly, it's only possible to bind one collection to one address, and because all of these addresses are already used in one collection, sadly I'm not able to show you this part of the creation process. Here we also can see a category possibility or a category choosing option. In this case, it's not interesting for us because this category is mainly for categorizing real world assets. So when it comes to creating an NFT for a car, you would be able to specifically put it into this category. So yeah, for if people want to buy a car NFT, it would be way easier to find it by this categorization. Here we are able to provide an creator earnings. This would mean how many percentage. This would mean we would get a percentage in case the NFT would get sold. In case it would get sold, we will get in this case like 10% of the sale price. We can, I think, put it onto like 50, 60, a lot of even 100%. Okay, so yeah. Besides this, we are also able to provide a site information, which would mean a website, which refers to our NFT collection, as well as we can provide some socials. Which we are referring to. And yeah, with this done, we are able to do the first transaction, which would be the minting of the collection NFT. And when this transaction went through, our next step would be to create the first item of our collection. It should be done soon. Here we are. Our transaction went through perfectly, exactly like we wanted it to do. And with this, we are now able to create an item. On the mainnet, I think this function is already implemented. Sadly, on the testnet, it's not implemented currently. So I just would like to skip. But before skipping, I also want to explain it further. So it would be possible by OAuth 2.0 to authenticate with your Twitter ID and bind your Twitter ID with your wallet and the collection or the item, I think. But like I said, currently on the testnet, it's not fully implemented. And by this, we only skip it. So our first item, we just call it first item. Very creative. Of the best collection ever. Oh, sorry. Of the best. So once again, we will provide an image which will be uploaded onto IPFS, and by this, it will be automatically uploaded by Moonchain onto IPFS, and by this NFT will forever be matched to this picture, because IPFS is an interplanetary file system, which is a decentralized storage network, and in this case, the data which will be stored on this IPFS system is stored there forever. We are once more able to provide a description, which I want to do because here we are able to fill in some more letters. First item of the best NFT collection, the Geneva Testnet. In the next step, we can choose our collection, which we deployed further, and decide in which collection we want to deploy this item in. So like you can already see, it's not the first try or the first approach with setting up the an NFT collection. And like I said, because of this, I had to redo the last part of the video to fully being able to show you what I wanted to show without the need of for you to have waiting like minutes to wait for my hardware to do what it should do. So with this part of the item creation, we're able to provide like a keyword or a dictionary of data, so we can match two keywords together, like creator, in this case would be MajorDom. Then we can add another trait, number item. So here we can make 1 of 1. Creation date It's totally random. It's totally on your side what you want to put in there. Besides this, we are having here two more settings which we can talk about, which I can talk about. The first one would be if your NFT would be a real world asset, then it would be necessary to provide like an NFT tag or something like this, which an NFC tag, which binds the NFT with the real asset. So this would be the first part, and for this we would have to do a provisioning, but currently this also doesn't work on the testnet, so I can't go further into this. And also the locking of an XSD also sadly don't properly work on the Geneva testnet yet. This would be an opportunity to lock some tokens, in this case XSD tokens, which is the stablecoin of the Moonchain network, to lock these stablecoins into the NFT, and you only would be able to get these XSD out of the NFT by burning the NFT. And by this, we are able, as a creator, to provide a certain value inside of the NFT, which helps to make it interesting for investors, and to show that it's not like a meme project or something like this, but you really want to bring some value, at least. So yeah. With this done, we are now able to deploy our item. Once again, for sure, we get a transaction into our MetaMask, which we have to confirm. And as soon as this transaction went through, we are happy owner of our first NFT collection. Perfect. So here we are. This is our NFT we just created. And like I told you, we would be able to sell it also. For this, for sure, we have to approve it. And as soon as it's approved for sale, we would be able, or everyone else would be able to sell to buy it. Sadly, I just reset my computer, and by this I'm currently only using one wallet. So we listed for 10 AMXC. So yeah, like just see the first wallet I used in this wallet is already a testnet wallet, and yeah, by this we're now able to buy this NFT. Sadly, I'm not fully sure if I really entered that the creator of the NFT will get a part of the setting price. I know that I was talking about it, but I'm not fully sure if I implemented it also. But I think we can check it fastly. 68543. .26. Yeah. So we just got some tokens. Yeah, for sure we get 10 tokens in this case because in this case we directly buy from the creator. But in case there would be another transaction, I think then it would be the case that the owner, the creator of the NFT would get a percentage. Yeah, and by this I'm done with showing you how you can use MetaMask to create an NFT collection on Moonchain. I hope you will use this knowledge soon to take part in our NFT contest. And yeah, I would love to have you here in the next workshop, which takes part the next English workshop, which take part on the 10th, no, 11th of this week. So on Friday, I will be online again with a workshop, and in this workshop, I will show you how you can use an LLM to analyze Moonchain data and create a report out of it, and post this report fully automatically on Twitter. This I will talk about on Friday. Thank you for joining and have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.